I very like it because it's very multinational.
It will be helpful to my future.
It's just a lot of fun and nice weather.
Join us at TLA and let's discover Florida together. Fort Lauderdale is a world-class tourism destination where casual fun meets sophisticated lifestyle. Our spectacular city is built on islands and canals and is known as the Venice of America. It offers spectacular beaches, great shopping, and many opportunities for you to experience the American lifestyle. Fort Lauderdale is home to thousands of luxury yachts and the world's largest cruise ships. You will find the perfect mix of big city entertainment and rich cultural life in an English-speaking environment. In Fort Lauderdale, you'll enjoy crystal-clear tropical waters and miles of golden sand beaches lined with towering palm trees. Your afternoons at the beach are a great opportunity to play volleyball or basketball, enjoy a game of soccer, try kite surfing, or take an exciting jet ski ride. Fort Lauderdale is home to TLA, one of America's finest language schools with an international reputation for top-quality services and academic excellence. A summer at TLA is the perfect time to combine English learning and a memorable vacation. TLA Junior Program is a fantastic opportunity to discover America, make new friends, and speak English while having fun. Our Junior Program is designed especially for you and offered in January and February, as well as in the summer from June through August. You can choose a homestay accommodation with one of our carefully selected American families or stay with your friends at our popular 4-star hotel residence. The hotel features luxurious rooms and every comfort. Your program includes a typical American breakfast and a delicious dinner. In the morning, private buses will take you and your friends to TLA. In school, dynamic English classes will teach you American idioms and vocabulary. You will see your English improving quickly and effectively and discover how much fun it is to speak English with boys and girls from all over the world. Your teachers will engage you in exciting conversations and help you discover the many aspects of American culture. TLA activity leaders and tutors are enthusiastic, energetic American university students who will spend all day with you to make sure you speak English as much as possible.
Most what we do is to speak with each other.
I learned a new vocabulary.
I could understand everything. The teachers were good. And I learned a lot.
After class, you will have lunch in the spacious and modern school cafeteria, and then get ready for exciting excursions and sightseeing. TLA organizes a fantastic program for you to have fun while discovering the many beauties of Florida. You will visit the Everglades National Park, enjoy an airboat ride, and have the chance to meet one of our local residents. One of the many excursions will take you to world-famous Miami for more beautiful beaches and admire the stars' homes while taking a cruise on Biscayne Bay. Another day will be devoted to exploring legendary South Beach and its Art Deco architecture, shops, cafes, and vibrant art scene. After a day of English and fun, enjoy a great dinner menu, join the fantastic dance parties, or relax and play games with your friends at the tropical swimming pool. TLA will also take you to world-class shows, evening sport events, and attractions. American shopping malls are legendary. In Fort Lauderdale, you will be able to visit some of the finest shopping malls, such as Sawgrass Mills Mall, America's largest outlet shopping center, with every top brand name at discounted prices. And then it's time for TLA memorable weekend excursions. We will take you on an unforgettable trip to Orlando, where you can spend a whole day at Universal Studios or visit the Harry Potter world at Islands of Adventure. You will have the unique chance to visit NASA, the American Space Center in Cape Canaveral, to see the space shuttle and live the thrilling experience of a flight simulator. Other excursions include Key West, an amazing drive through the Florida Keys to reach Hemingway's home and the southernmost point in the U.S. In Key West, you can cruise to the coral reef on a snorkeling trip to watch the beauties of the underwater world. For a true American experience, we will also take you to iconic Palm Beach, home of millionaires and celebrities, where you will be able to stroll down world-famous Worth Avenue.
This was one of the best things I ever done in my life. It was so good.
The teachers are really, really great, funny, and we learn a lot of English.
I really love the experience. It's really cool.
You should really come and check out how it's here, because you will never regret your choice. And your money is really worth it.
We're waiting for you. Be part of the TLA world, make new friends, and enjoy the best America and Florida have to offer.